Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can compare two documents in Google Docs. So this compare feature is quite useful if you have another document that may be created by you or by another person, and then you want to see what changes that were made on that document with this current document. So to use that feature, first you have to open the first document that you want to compare. In this case, I have this document here, and then go to the tools menu, click compare documents, and click my drive. So basically the document can only be resourced from Google Docs, Google Drive. And if you have a document that is from your computer, then you have to upload it to Google Drive before it can appear here. After that, you can select any document that you want to compare with and click open. For the attribute, I'm going to leave it as it is because it's just me working on the document, so I'm not going to change it to another name. And of course, you can include comments from the selected document if you want to, and click compare. What it's going to do is it will compare the two documents and then merge them together, and you will see the result later. Click open. You will see something like this. So this is actually the two documents that are being compared and merged together. And interestingly, you have the option to accept or reject the changes. As you can see here, there are some comments that you can look through. For example, there is this section that is being changed. You can click this icon to accept the suggestion and it will be changed. And by the way, this is a brand new document, so this is quite an interesting tool that basically allows you to accept or reject changes for your final document. So yeah, that's essentially how you can compare documents in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.